Yo guys, just before we get started, just a trading disclaimer. Do trade and all invest and all that sort of stuff at your own risk. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this week's video. Yo guys, so it's currently Tuesday at 11:48 now. Yesterday I didn't do any trades. I didn't really enter in because I'm not really looking to rush my trades, but I did actually from FTMO get access to a new account. So a trading setup I was looking at is kind of just a sell opportunity on EuroCAD here. So if I were to zoom out, I can see with this arrow over here that it's kind of in this downtrend, right? So if I just like make it a bit bigger, now I can see that it's broken this level here and it's trying to break above. So I'm looking for an entry kind of on this 0.5 using this high up here, and then obviously just using this low down here. So I'm using those as my points, and I want to enter in on the key level on the 0.5. So right now I'm looking for a sell opportunity here. So I'm going to place that order on FTMO and set my stop loss up here and have my take profit down here. So hopefully this trade goes well. I'll let you guys know if I actually do get in it. It's looking like it's already rejected, so I might have missed my entry by a few pips. It is what it is. If I do end up entering in on this trade, I'll let you know. But this week it's kind of just been like a slow trade, as like if I just look at just like all these other pairs here, if I just look at all these other pairs and these trades here, there isn't really anything that I would normally trade or that I would really like to trade. Like here I was looking for maybe just an entry back down to here. There wasn't that, so here we'll delete that. And then like if I just continue going and taking a look here, like I wouldn't trade that, wouldn't trade this. This here could be something I'd trade if I was to really use this low here, and we can see that I'd have to go all the way up to there for me to enter in. Now if I take a look at Euro here, this could have been an entry point based off of this key level, but it's kind of too small and it's something that I don't really trade. I would have preferred to find something on a re-entry based off of this level here. Now, if we take a look, we can see that the other trade that I entered in on or whatever that I analyzed, this did end up hitting take profit with basically zero drawdown, so that was nice. Gives me some more confidence. And then like here, this here is obviously the trade I'm looking at now, which looks like it's not going to really hit my entry as of yet, but hopefully it does soon, but it looks like it's already rejecting. If we take a look at those three candles right there, over there, so that's unfortunate. And then obviously AUD USD is not really looking like something I'm trading. So that's why I haven't really recorded much yet. It is night time, that's why it's really dark in my room. But yeah, that's just really it for Tuesday. Yo, so I actually entered in on this EuroCAD. I obviously entered in below. So because it doesn't follow my full trading rules that I have up there, what I did was I ended up just trading it on my personal account, but I didn't even use the position lot size calculator either. Instead I just kind of went with this lot size. So really small trade. I was meant to do 0.50 instead of 0.05, so unfortunately it's kind of really small. So that's unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is, and hopefully this trade goes well. But yeah, so guys, last night as I was sleeping, this trade actually did end up hitting kind of my entry point on the 0.5 level. So but I obviously entered in before that, just over here on my personal account. So what I'm just going to do is kind of show you guys how this trade would have gone if I had entered in, or if I was awake to have entered in here. So there I would have entered in and then set my take profit for around here, but probably at around here. So we'll just move that one up there to be a bit more passive. So like that, I would have moved it there, right? Then this would be at around here. So here we can see that, well, we'll just move it here. So here we can see that this trade gives us about 1.73 risk reward, and right now it would be basically a 1-to-1. So this trade here would be up 2k right now. But unfortunately I was asleep, and you know, it is what it is. This trade here right now is in profit, but as I said before, like I did use a really small lot size by accident. Like, so if I was to bring it up on my phone here, then you can see like it's up 14 pips, but it's only like $6. So because I'm looking to start going to the gym, I want to be making at least like $20 a week. So I'm going to start upping my lot sizes so I can make that, and then therefore my profits just pay for gym. That'll be better. And then while I continue to work on this 100k account size. But that's kind of how Tuesday's going. I'll let you guys know how this trade goes, and I'll let you guys updated. I'll keep you guys updated on if there are any other trades this week. So I'm currently in a league match, just loading it up, and I actually got a notification on my phone regarding like TradingView or whatever. So we'll just go into TradingView here and we'll kind of see what happened. So I can see that it ended up dropping below this area here, this level here, and now it's continuing to head down. So we're basically at that almost 1-to-1 risk reward. We can see we're 21 pips in profit and we're risking about 25 pips here. So if I just go and check my MetaTrader, it's only at like $10. So you know, it's because I didn't buy a big lot size or whatever. But what I'm gonna do now, so I'm just kind of making sure that my principles and stuff are still good or whatever. So here I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even. So it's about 1.53623 done, and I'll also set my take profit to 1.52981. So there, my take profit has, my stop loss has now been set at break even. So if this goes back and wipes me out, it is what it is. But if it continues heading down, then it continues heading down. So what I'm going to keep updated is I'm going to just set a notification now at around this area down here, and then I'll obviously set one kind of, I want to take a look at how it reacts to this point over here, right? So I want to see if it rejects this level again. So I'm going to mark that up as a notification area. But hopefully this trade here continues heading down and I can make enough money for my gym membership this week. But yeah, we're going to start upping the lot size, and I still haven't really found a good trade for my FTMO account, so I haven't really started that either. And yeah, let's hope I win this match. So I just got a notification on my phone saying that it's like broke past this point. So I'm watching it closely here on how it reacts to this point. But it's looking like it's rejecting, so I'm gonna just close it really quick. And I'm pretty happy with this trade, considering that my normal entry would be up around this point here on that key level. So that would normally be my entry. So I'm pretty happy with this trade. I wish I had a bigger lot size in there, but I kind of just guessed. And yeah. Yo, so I'm playing some Rocket League right now, and this here is how the trade went. So it's about to hit take profit. Might hit it now actually. But if we take a look at where I would have entered in if I was actually awake for this entry, so it would have been on that 0.5 level on the key level. So right around there, set my take profit for here, move my stop loss to around here. We can see that this trade here would have already hit take profit. So pretty happy about that. And it's almost close to hitting take profit on this bad entry trade here as well. So pretty happy with that. You guys saw that I did end up closing a bit early, which is like, it's whatever. I probably should have just left my stop loss to break even, or even moved it up maybe like 10 pips and then set notification. But this here is still fine, still happy with it, and hopefully we can find another good trade this week that we can enter in on. But it has been a pretty slow week, so it is what it is. But actually tomorrow I'm not going to be trading because I'm actually going out with a few mates, so I'll bring you guys along for that journey. So guys, it's currently Thursday, 3 PM. I'm about to go out for dinner soon, but I'm going to get in a few games of League of Legends. But here, the one trade that I was looking at this week was this one here. We can see that if I'll just move this off to the side, right? But we can see that if I had entered in over here when I wasn't sleeping, right at that normal entry that I looked for, set my take profit down for kind of this area here, and then obviously have my stop loss at that 0.7 area. We can say that this trade here basically had zero drawdown and just instantly went into profit and hit that take profit. So this trade I'm really happy with. It followed all my rules, and I wish I was just awake for it, but you know, it is what it is. Yesterday I also did end up getting a notification for this pair here saying that it hit this level. So a possible trade I was looking at was possibly a buy if I could just use like a fib maybe from kind of this low to this high. But taking a look at it, it actually shows that there is no key level here, kind of, unless you were to use like this high over here. But it's not really good enough for me, and so I'm not gonna look for a trade in that. But it was just, I just got a notification, and yeah, so I'll bring you guys along with my dinner tonight, and yeah, that's just really how my trade went this week. There wasn't really much this week, but yeah. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm going out in. If you guys want to see, I'll show you guys right now. It's kind of just like a shirt, like a Tommy shirt with some jeans, and then obviously the new kicks. But yeah, I'm about to head out, and I'll see you guys when I pick up my mates. Yo guys, so me and the boys, we've arrived at the destination. We've got some useless Asian dog over here. We've got
You're running this out the block. Not getting monetized.
We've got an NBA player over here, and we've got some privileged white kid over here. So we're pretty diverse as a friendship group. But there's some fish in there. Look, can you see those fish? Oh, there's some fish in there, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm inside the restaurant.
Oh, get it.
Oh, just grab it, Max. Just grab the hermit crab, guys. So we've got two fishermen here. Obviously, the black guy isn't going anywhere near the water. What the hell is that? Oh, is that a boat coming in? Why is the tide just changes like that? Okay, that was kind of crazy. Just waves out of nowhere. Must have been a boat. It's probably in the rock somewhere. We'll just keep walking along. Max, I'm sure you can spear something with that fucking log. Hey Max, kick that rock into the ocean. That one. Yo, so we got our wine glasses here, right by the ocean.
So stupid.
And this is really awkward. I'll just have to wait till the entree comes out. Yo guys, so we currently just finished having dinner with the boys, so we're just heading back to the car, which is over here, but there's a little Asian over there who's just gonna go have a piss, but we're just here at the pier, and probably just gonna go out and do something and then head home. But you know, not really looking to enter in on any trades for the rest of the week, and unfortunately we weren't awake when we could have got that entry on that successful trade, so I'll kind of show you guys what that looks like here on how that trade went. But yeah, if there's any more updates, I'll kind of let you guys know how we go. Yeah guys, so it's currently 1:25 on Sunday. I'm just about to start editing, but that was really just what I did during the week. I didn't actually vlog everything in the restaurant, simply just because like it's kind of awkward and I'm kind of new to it, and I kind of just forgot as well, so I just recorded what I could. And yeah, and you guys kind of saw how the one trade I saw this week was pretty good. But yeah, that was just how this week went. Didn't really do anything on FTMO, so yeah, hopefully next week is a bit better. But you know, the one trade we analyzed this week and that we actually entered in on did take profit, so we're 1 from 1 this week, and hopefully we can keep it up for the FTMO. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's recap, and see ya.